too. I changed my shorts, but my shorts are still wet. Can you feel my seat and see if it's wet?
Nope.
Okay.
Camera fell.
Oh no! Did plant flowers from Florida? Did plant flowers from Florida? Can you tell me something's coming again?
Yes.
I'm not grumpy anymore, I'm silly.
That's good. I like you better silly than grumpy.
How do you feel? Imagine that. Are you reading the book again?
Mm-hmm.
Or are you studying the map?
I'm studying the map.
Plan takes flowers from Florida. Is there an F word that starts with that? It's a synonym of blow up. Picks.
Replay that question in your mind and think about how any possibility of answering it.
That means synonym of. That's funny. Am I funny? I'm funny. I know I'm funny. You don't think I'm funny, but I'm funny. I know I'm funny. And that's all that matters. And if I know I'm funny, that's all that matters. I don't care if you don't think I'm funny, please. I know I'm funny. Do you think I'm funny? Nah, it doesn't care. I'm funny.
I think you're hilarious.
Well, why aren't you laughing?
I was laughing.
Flan picks flowers from Florida. Did you know that, camera?
It's not on.
I don't care.
Third base.
No, that's the shortstop. Gosh, bring your positions.
Oh yeah, I don't know his third base. Well, I don't think you'll qualify for a NASCAR pit crew anytime soon.
What?
You just took 28 minutes to change your shorts.
No, I took 28 minutes to change my bathing suit into shorts, into pants.
Oh, much better. Yep, so much for me looking at the map anymore. My mapping days are over.
Let's turn it on.